Hey, how you doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction in beautiful home shop, Bel Air Bluffs, Florida. I want to go over just a quick video on coating leather. I will be using Underdog Pro. This is a Teflon-based 5-year coating, and it's great for glass, for plastics, for paint, for wheels, for leather. Yep, it'll protect the leather, stop stains from happening, let you slide by easier. So you don't get, like, if you're wearing jeans, that blue transfer dye that can come out of jeans. Maybe you're sweaty. Around here, a lot of people are at the beach. Maybe they're a little bit moist. Yep, people around here are moist. It happens. It's humid. It rains every day. It's late August 26th, 2022. Things are pretty cool around here, but I'm about to show you the flip side again. And I'll show you what I'm working on. This is a beautiful 2019 Maserati GT with the Ferrari V8. Yep, this thing got coated in Underdog. Look at that shine on the plastics. Everything I could possibly coat on this car is coated. All the caps, all everything. But this is about the leather. I'm going through the process. So I'm about to work on this back seat, and I'm going to bring you along with me. We are together going to coat all of the leather, the console, the rear console, the seats, the sides, all the speaker areas. I am going to slather Underdog on the back. This is actually not plastic. This is leather, topped probably plastic. Anyway, it's all getting Underdog. It's all going to be protected. And things like suntan lotion and body oils and, gene transfer, things like that will all be taken care of. I will show you there's a little scuffed chair on the leather. He is meeting with a leather expert to get that taken care of. There's a little bit right on the back side. I'll show you when I get in there. A little bit of a weird substance where somebody tried to fix a problem area. Now, I'm not using my stand. I'm going to take you with me, so forgive me while I attempt to do this. So this is a auto fiber, auto saver thin pad. I'd say it's probably about 3.5, maybe 4 inches by 3. So pretty good surface area. Plus, you can squinch it down and get into tight spots. I've been using the auto fiber half mitts, which are also auto saver. They have a liner in them. The back side of the microfiber on both of these materials is coated, so you save product. Smart idea. Also a smart idea, take a 5-inch pad and just designate one. You can see my cuts in here. I hit a broken door handle on an old Honda years ago, and this has become my pad holder so that I don't, have accidents like I read about on so many forums. So this is a 3 mil graduated eyedropper. I get them on Amazon. I think you can get 100. I'll prime this pad for like $8. Real smart, just disposable. Kind of has an edge to it. It's grabbing the microfiber, which microfiber tends to do. Let me hold a little better angle here. So I am what is commonly referred to as priming the applicator pad. I've used suede. I sometimes like that in certain applications, especially glass. The suede cloths will save you product. but I am pumping out the Underdog Pro, and I am not, in this particular scenario, really too concerned about, how much product I'm using and or wasting. I like to get a lot on the corners and edges. So you can see I probably have 4.5 mils. These are 30 milliliter bottles. I should say probably milliliter and not mils. Those are two different things. Mils is thickness, like these are 5 mil gloves. I also use the black ones. Oh, that's not a glove, but anyway, they're 9 mil from Harbor Freight. Great deal. Okay, so the pad is primed. The prep on this was fairly extensive. The car was just bought. The owner only had it for a day. I did an inspection. We talked about what he wants done, which is every single surface on the entire vehicle coated: wheels, glass, paint, trim, engine bay, trunk bay, you name it, it's getting coated. So I've got a fan on the other side, or actually it's on this side, never mind. So I'm trying to keep the fumes down. I've got the seats lowered and then as forward, and the backrests on the front as far as I can go, because, well, I'm 6 foot, and so I need some space. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on the one side. I'm going to slip my sandals off here. These are my detailing sandals. Yes, I have specific sandals just for that. So I wiped everything down with O&R. You can see, like, there's just a little bit of stuff on the carpet. I've had to be in and out of here a lot. And I'm not really concerned about, getting crazy on the very, very edges of things. Dirt probably isn't going to happen that much. Forgive my shoddy camera work. So I'm going to start from this side. There's no leveling when you do leather. And see, I can get right in there nice and tight. It'd probably help if I turned my headlamp on. You can see this pad. I used the one side. I put a black marker on it when I do. This side was never used. So I am just going to get nice and tight. I'm going to go over the speakers. I'm going to go over the very beautiful, I'm forgetting that word. I want to say graphite. It's not right. Probably many of you are like, God, it's carbon fiber. Okay, wouldn't come to me for a second. So it's real easy. Go. And it's like painting. And all coatings have kind of a solvent carrier. So even though I used, out of frame. Even though I used O&R, I did the initial wipe down. I then took a 91% isopropyl, kind of smooth things out. I don't want any weird high spots. There was a little piece of something, and we're moving it from the pad. So I just kind of start from the top to the bottom, and as far a reach as I can get it on every surface. And I'm going to estimate that with the 4.5 milliliters that I did, it's going to, see if we can see a difference there. I'm going to turn the pad around in my hand. Oh yeah, we got lots of product going on. I'm going to say that I can do half of this interior. Sorry while I move that. But I used isopropyl alcohol, 91%, And I did a 50% distilled water. And that way, with a double cleaning prep process, I was pretty sure to get any kind of body oils. I mean, this thing was detailed. This dealership sells McLarens and Bentleys in St. Petersburg. So, you know, they've got detailers. If you are a dealership detailer, well, start your own business. That's all I have to say about that. That's all I have to say about that. So, I've still got product on here. I'm just going with the flow. But the pad looks like it's given up most. The solvents in coatings will help, you know, do that last little clean too. So I think I've got everything buckled down there pretty good. Get all the intricacies. Sorry about my shitty camera work. Ow, ow, ow. Cramp. Okay, so it's not easy to fit in the back of a Maserati GT, but I managed it. So I got, you know, the pad seems like it's, you know, kind of dried out. Let me see if I can, in the good lighting here, see if I can see. Yeah, it's still going, actually. I'm going to go ahead and do this part of the console. There's the part I was talking about there. And there where someone tried to cover over. I took pictures, called my client. Oh yeah, she's still moving along. Most coatings really go a long way, but leather will suck up. It's not like doing paint or glass or anything. The coatings will suck up leather. See on that black. We'll do some plastic coating. Give you a little better view. And she's about done as far as actual coating. People spill drinks and get water spills and stuff. I'll probably come back and touch that back over. But that's going to be about it for, like I said, 4.5 mils approximately. But we'll maintain the nice look of this vehicle. Got some nice shiny black plastic there on the top surface. See that? Underdog makes everything glossy. So I got a little more than halfway, you know, priming the pad. Now I won't have to add as much on this next set for this seat and this area. Probably 2.5 mils I'll put on. Be nice and wet, moist, very saucy with the hot dog water. And I think I'm going to end this video. 14 minutes, 10 seconds. So that's all you really need. Now you can see on this pad, I picked up some dirt and I have wiped this down with Optimum No Rinse, the ONR. Did a pretty, like, you know, wet application, dried it up, you know, tried to get all those, you know, it's animal product, you know, and so pretty surprised I actually picked up that much dirt. I may have stuffed it in somewhere that I didn't quite get to good enough. Maybe it was the bottom of these cup holders, but, you know, it was detailed before he got it, and he only had it a day. So, I mean, it's, you know, relatively clean, but even with the isopropyl full wipe down on all the plastic and leather at a 50-50 ratio, there's still more dirt coming up, and that's, you know, stuff that's trapped in the leather. So it's kind of a cleaning process while you're doing the coating. Now you want to clean it really good. I'd say at least 2 cleanings. And if this car was trash, probably more like 3 or 4, but I think you get the point. I appreciate a thumbs up. Give me a comment. Share this with someone you may know. And certainly hit the notification bell. Bing! And that way you'll be advised to follow new videos as they come out. They'll give you a suggestion on YouTube. And if you subscribe, then you won't have to worry about it. You'll always get that. And hit the notification bell. I would appreciate it. I'm coming up to 1,000. Help me out if you can. Hit that subscription. Check out my, 240 videos I've posted in the last few years. And you probably get some tips and tricks that might be new to you. So anyway, I thank you very much. Until next time, enjoy making your vehicles beautiful. Full flip side. Yep, that's right. I spare no expense for you guys. Take care.